For this video I want to share how we can make automatic on and off using LDR sensor. So we're going to use one piece of LDR sensor and LED light and BC547 transistor, which is NPN, and 9V battery and 100 kilo ohm resistor and a small breadboard. So first we're going to put BC547. So BC547 we're going to place in this position. Here is collector. The first pin is collector and the second pin is base and the third pin is emitter. So second LDR. So LDR there is no positive and negative. So between base to emitter we're going to put LDR sensor, and from here 100 kilo ohm resistor, there is no positive and negative. So from base to here in this side we're going to put for positive power supply, which will be 9V, right? And then this we have the light LED. So this LED is basically 3V, but we already used for 100 kilo ohm resistor, so that we protect not to burn LED. So LED there is two pin here. The long pin is positive and the short pin is negative. So the long pin positive we connect to resistor side, and the short pin we connect to collector. So collector of NPN transistor. So that's the position how you're going to connect. Alright, so from here this is emitter side pin. We're going to connect the negative, and this resistor we're going to connect positive. So the wiring is complete, and we're going to use 9V battery. So I'm going to place right here. So here's 9V battery, and we use the 9V battery connector here, and positive and negative. And so I just use one connector with jumper mode wire, which is male to male here. And so red is positive and black is negative. So black we connect to black here, and red we connect to the red here. So now the wire connection is everything's complete. So let me try. So now if I cover LDR with my hand, then the light will turn on. So if I turn off the light, so we can see there is automatically the light will turn on, LED will turn on. So that means once the LDR is something block that make it dark, then LED is turned on. So this is very simple. This is BC547 LDR and LED 100 kilo ohm resistor. So the connection is very simple, we can see here. So transistor, the first pin is collector, second pin is base, the last pin is emitter. So whenever we cover LDR, then LED is turned on. Alright, so I hope this video will help for someone, and thank you for watching my video.